So you want to flip a house? This is very important knowledge for you to understand. So that purchase price of the home is what we're trying to figure out today. So what we're going to start with is your ARV, or your after repair value. So this is when you need to go through all the solds in the neighborhood and figure out what it's going to be worth after it is rehabbed and repaired. You're going to take that number, you're going to multiply it by 75%, and then you're going to subtract your repair cost to give you that the purchase price at what you need to buy the home to make sure that you can profit what you need for the job. So we're going to factor in today saying an ARV of $200,000. We're going to multiply it by that 75%, and we're going to get $150,000. So then we're factoring in, say, about $24,000 in repair and hold costs. So we're going to take $150K, we're going to subtract $24K, and we're going to get a purchase price of $126,000. So based off of this model and $24,000 in repair costs, if the house's ARV is $200K, we're going to need to buy it for $126,000. Now, if the ARV is $200,000, we subtract the $24,000 in repair costs, we subtract the $14,000 in agent commission when you get ready to sell the house, was typically 7%, and then we subtract the purchase price of which we bought the home for at $126,000. We're looking at a profit of about $36,000, not factoring in, say, about 6 months. So that's about $6,000 a month.